Welcome back, student. In this video I am going to show you the same thing that I have done in the Google Meet class. Many of you did not attend the class, so I am going to make a short review video so that those who were not able to attend the class, they can just try to get the thing from this video. Okay, after that I'll start the next topic. So today the whole that the data frame, creation of data frame and its functions are covered in this video. So let's start. And here I'll show you practically, and I'm going to share my screen. You just follow what I'm doing. So first of all, I'll go in this ideally. Here we'll see how to write or how to create data frame in Python. Okay, so for that we have to write, and syntax I have already told you. First of all, we have to write import pandas as pd. After that we need to create a data, that is data underscore d, you can write, is equals to, suppose here, name. Okay, these things I have already done. Mohit, then Sohan. Okay, then you can say Neha, then Amit. So this is a data frame. It's not yet completed. Now next is class I. So I am creating data dictionary here, because we know that dictionary contains key values, isn't it? Key values pair. So you can see for every key there is a pair. Okay, after that one more these things I'm adding to create the column. To create column, I'm adding these fields, then comma, then marks. So this is all about comma 87.5 comma 94.0 comma 88.9. okay, this is all about data dictionary. Let's check whether any error is there or not, otherwise it will give error message to us. So overall it is okay. Now just put enter. It means there is no error. Now the next line that we'll do is we'll create data frame. For that we have to write df is equals to, those who have attended the class, they may know that df dot pd dot data frame. Again I'm telling that here d and f should be in capital letter. Okay, data underscore d, then index. Now student, here index I am modifying the index. If will not modify index, then by default it will be 0 1 2 3. Okay, so here I want, instead of that we want, I want first, second, third and fourth. All right, this one, this, then close this, then just put enter. So this is all about the data dictionary I have created, and this is, I have converted that data dictionary into data frame, and this is the format for the data frame. This line is the format for the data frame. Now I'll simply write print df. Now you can see enter. So here you can see that this has formed in the form of data frame. Here first, second, third, fourth, name, class, age, marks, as I have given in the dictionary. But student, one thing, that if this first, second, third, fourth, instead of this index name first, second, third, fourth, if I'll not provide these things, then automatically it will become 0 1 2 3, because this is the syntax of the data frame. Clear? Now next, this is all about how to create a data frame. Now next we will see how to select any row from the data frame. Like I want to display only the first row or third row or second row, then how we will write? So for that, it is very important to follow the syntax, and for that we will use LOC. Okay, LOC is used to locate the row, and not only row, to locate row. Okay, now see the syntax for this. It will be simply, we'll just write df, see df dot loc. Okay, df dot loc, then try to follow the syntax. Df dot loc, then here just write first. Okay, first, the and colon, then second. Okay, then just inverted comma close, then comma, after that semicolon. Now just put enter. Now student, you can see that first and second, you can see first and second row has been displayed as output. Okay, if I will write this instead of this second, if I'll write third here, then what will happen? Just see, if I will write here third, third, then just see the output, then it will display first, second and third. Means from it indicates that it means from first to third. But what if I want to display only first and third? Then what is the change that I need to make? That time we have to put, instead of this colon, I'll just give comma. Instead of this colon, we'll just give comma. Okay, now enter. No, sorry, there is a bit of syntax error. Okay, comma, paste. After that, just it will be in one more here. Then this will be in separate. This will be in separate square box. After that, this comma, colon, this is the syntax. Now enter. Now see, first and third. Now student, you can see that because of a bit of error, there the message, it displays error. There is a lots of error has been displayed. So it's so the syntax, you have to remember that if we want to display a particular row and particular row like first and third, then we need to write in this way. We have to use two square brackets, opening and closing. Okay, so this is all about how to select row. Okay, how to select row. Now next we will see how to select column. What happen if I want to select the column? Like here, name, age, this are there. Now for that, what we will do, simple, the same thing we need to write. Just same thing, just write df dot los. Like first of all, you can write df dot any row or column name. You can write like marks I'm writing, or class I am writing. Enter. Now you can see for this class, for class, first is 12, second is in this way it will come. See, first 12, second this, third. So this is quite easy to select. To selecting column is very easy, but for selecting row there is a particular syntax that you need to follow. Okay, or you can write in this way also, df dot, after no need to write a dot, df, then simple in the here you can write, instead of class I am writing here suppose name. Okay, simple this one. Now you can see that name means you need not have to put dot. Instead of dot you have to use square bracket within a quotation, but here df dot class quotation I have not used, so it will be displayed so column will be displayed like this. Next we will see how we can add or modify a row. Okay, adding or modifying is also quite very easy. Simply we need to write df. Why every time I'm writing df? Because df is the name of the data frame that we have created. So df dot LOC, very simple LOC. Again now row name I want to modify. Okay, so row name, just write row name. Suppose first row name, just give first. Okay, row name first, comma, colon is equals to new value. Suppose I want for first I want 1 st. Okay, 1 st. Okay, so the I want to modify this first with this, then enter. Say invalid syntax, as because here st it is taking both number and this one, so just change it with some other name. Paste new value, just give something else value, that is you can give FAST. Suppose I am giving for, okay, enter. Now you can see that df.loc first, this one. Now if you want to see the df, now you can see here that first has been changed with the location. See, fast, 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 fast. Okay, so this is all about to modify the first row. Okay, but I have not provided any value. If you want to change name for name separate, class separate, age separate, then you have to put in that way only, like here for name separate, class separate, again like this you can give by putting the commas and by giving their class, age, marks. You can insert the value, you can modify the first row. Okay, next we will see deleting row and columns. Okay, deleting is also very easy. For deleting, simply we can write del, then del, then df. Okay, then which column you want to delete. D, like you can say class, I'm writing class, class. Okay, enter. Then class has been deleted. If you will write df, you can see here no class column is there. Okay, no class column is there. Next we will see axis, not sorry, not axis. Next we will see drop. Now student, if we want to delete a single column, that time we will use del, but if we want to delete multiple column, that time we will use drop. Okay, for drop, how we will write, simply df dot drop. Okay, df dot drop. After that write the multiple column, like name, like name. After that you can give name, then marks also, multiple column. But one thing you have to keep in mind, that not only name, marks, after that you have to write, it is very important to write axis is equals to 1. Okay, axis is equals to 1. Then what will happen, this df dot drop name, marks, axis is equals to 1. So you can see that name and marks column has been deleted. So here invalid syntax, axis is equals to 1, it is okay. Okay, after that axis is equals this is Now suppose, or one thing we can write here, that is df1 is equals to control v, enter, again here axis paste, here comma, enter, again invalid syntax. We need to find out the error here. Df dot drop, then marks axis is equals to 1. This, there might be some error. Okay, so try to understand till now, student. In the next class we will do this del functions, this deleting the row, and other few others are left, like boolean function, boolean expressions are also there, that we will do in the next class. Till then, try to go through the video, try to understand how things happen in the software in Python ideally, and try to understand how data frames can be created and how these functions work. Okay, if any kind of problem you face, you can drop me a message so that we can discuss it in our next class. Okay, thank you.